In this video, you'll learn about the new Carnival Radiance, a ship that was reborn, once known as Carnival Victory, completely overhauled to become Carnival Radiance, a ship with so many new impressive venues, and everything is brand new. Let's start by telling you about what's on board. We're going to let you know about the food, we're going to tell you about the bars, we're going to tell you about some of the awesome activities, and I'll even throw in a couple tips. And if you stick around, you'll find out how you can get our digital download, our Carnival Radiance ship guide. It's linked in the description below. Now let's talk about the food. Starting with one of the newest options offered from Carnival Cruise Lines. In affiliation with Shaquille O'Neal, there's Big Chicken. For breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can get complimentary chicken sandwiches, awesome food, no extra charge. Also available for no extra charge is Guy's Burger Joint, a classic loved by many, including myself. You can go there for lunch and get yourself a great burger and some fries. Don't forget the donkey sauce. Another option, if you don't mind paying a little extra, is you can go to the Seafood Shack. The Seafood Shack is a great place to go and get a lobster roll, get some buffalo shrimp, peel and eat shrimp, a lot of great options. Costs a little extra, but I think you'll find it's worth it. Another option is Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue. Barbecue on a ship. Guy has two restaurants on here, Guy's Burger Joint and Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue. You gotta check those out. If you're looking for pizza, anytime, day or night, head to Pizzeria Del Capitano. Pizzeria Del Capitano has pizzas made to order, so if you're hungry, nothing like pizza. Another option I'll mention is Bonsai Sushi. Sushi on a cruise ship. How perfect. Gotta check that out. If you're looking for Italian food, go to Cucina del Capitano. Great Italian food, served in a relaxed setting. Awesome food. We really enjoyed Cucina del Capitano, and we think you will too. One last option I'll mention, and possibly my favorite specialty dining option that Carnival has, is the Steakhouse. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Carnival Radiance has it, and you would love their awesome cowboy ribeyes. Be sure you check out Fahrenheit 555. Now, before we talk about the bars, I just have one favor. Please hit that thumbs up button and like this video if you're enjoying it. It really helps us out. Now let's talk about the bars. Starting with the Red Frog Pub. An actual pub on a cruise ship. How perfect. This is one of the newer concepts that Carnival has. It's a great place to sit down, sit at the bar, have a great drink, have a beer. Later in the evening, listen to some music, play some games. Red Frog Pub. Another option is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Head out by the pool, get yourself a nice margarita, cocktail of choice, have a beer. Great spot to go hang out. This ship also has one of the newest bar concepts on any ship, and that's called the Heroes Tribute Bar. A great place to hang out in a bar themed to pay tribute to the military heroes. Have a great drink. Enjoy this special environment at Heroes Tribute Bar. There's also Red Frog Rum Bar. I mentioned Red Frog Pub, but there's also Red Frog Rum Bar. It's out by the pool. You can sit out there, enjoy, have yourself a nice tropical drink while you're enjoying the nice day out at sea, maybe getting a tan. Great concept. One more bar I'll mention is the Piano Bar. Head to the Piano Bar. It's a great spot to go after dinner, maybe after a show. Hang out and sing along as the entertainer plays music, songs that you know and love. You can sing along, sit back and enjoy a drink. Now let's talk about some of the other activities on board. Let's start with the kids. On the Carnival Radiance, they have the Carnival Waterworks. What a great spot to go. That's not just for the kids, but it's a great place to go if you enjoy water slides and water activities. A water park on a cruise ship. Also, the kids would probably enjoy Build-A-Bear Workshop. Build-A-Bear Workshop is a chance for them to build their own bear, a souvenir to take home with them. Build-A-Bear workshop at sea, just like you may have seen on land, but it's a souvenir from your cruise. How cool is that? And they have kids clubs. A lot of great fun. So while the adults are doing all the fun things they're doing, the kids can be having fun in their own way. So for the kids, a lot of options. Let's talk about some of the options for the adults and the whole family. Let's start with playlist production shows. Awesome shows in the main theater, great entertainment, great music. It's definitely a great time. There's also, of course, the casino. You can go there, take your chance on Lady Luck. Or if you'd rather just relax and have a few laughs, go to the Punchliner Comedy Club. It's a great option, especially late evenings. Have a great time laughing at Punchliner Comedy Club. During the day, there's the Sky Course and Sports Square. Great places to go and get active, especially on a sea day. Great places to go hang out. And of course, have the whole family go along, play some mini golf. So many activities. For more information on these activities, including bingo, karaoke, trivia, so much more, be sure to get the Carnival Hub app so you know when and where all of that is happening. Now, I gotta mention a couple tips. I mentioned before, great restaurant. I think the first one I mentioned was Big Chicken. Shaquille O'Neal's Big Chicken has awesome fried chicken sandwiches, great meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're going to want to check that out. It's new to the Carnival fleet, and this is only actually the second ship to feature Big Chicken, so you won't want to miss that on your Carnival Radiance cruise. Another tip I got to mention again, the Heroes Tribute Bar and Lounge. Great theming, has sort of a sports bar sort of feel, but pays tribute to all the men and women who sacrifice so much. Check those out. And also be sure to get your copy of our digital download, our Carnival Radiance Ship Guide. It's a digital download you can get by clicking the description below. It lists what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're also throwing in our second guide, a bar crawl guide for the Carnival Radiance. Get that linked in our description below. We appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. Put that notification bell on. Follow us so you don't miss out on our future episodes. Thanks for watching.